Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat or Alfa Romeo, guys. Any of those cars, any models. And if your horn on the steering wheel does not work, stay with us. We'll explain what most likely causes that, how to fix it, and one thing that most people will never think about. So make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free, absolutely free videos for you. And any of you guys that want to buy parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a ton of money. So with that being said, let's explain what can cause a horn not to work on Fiat or Alfa Romeo. We'll be demonstrating on that Fiat 500, but Italian cars, Fiat, Alfa Romeo, they're built about the same. That platform has been used on multiple vehicles, but their electronics and stuff like that are identical as well. So the horn on that specific Fiat, it's hidden right here behind the bumper, guys, under the headlight. Now it's really hard to get to. Unfortunately, that specific model, it has the intercoolers because it's the Abarth, so you have to remove the bumper to get to it. But if I go through the headlight bulb right here with the camera, I can show you, okay, where, okay, give me a second now, okay, to go in to show you, okay, where the horn goes, because that thing, okay, I need to bend it a little bit down. And if we go right there, this right here is your horn. You can see on the bottom, that's the connector, the gray thing. Okay, let's show the connector, the wire, okay, right there. Now one thing, make sure that the connector is plugged in, it's clean, it's not corroded. I can get my hand through it, remove the wire and clean it. Sometimes corrosion and having water can cause the horn not to work. The horn itself can burn too. You can easily test it. We have a video that teaches you how to test a car horn in just a few seconds. Next, check the fuse. You're going to have a fuse for your horn. On some models you may even have a relay. Okay, so you will need to check the relay as well, horn and relay. Next, if all that checks out fine, what else can cause the horn not to work? Another thing can be the switch right here. You have the switch in the steering wheel that when you press, okay, activates the horn. And something that most people don't think about that, especially if the car was in an accident or the steering wheel was removed for some reason, you have a device that's known as a cork spring. That cork spring is a special device that transfers the signal from the steering column to the steering wheel, that allows the steering wheel to turn left and right. And if that, guys, okay, that cork spring is broken, you will not be able to transfer that horn signal. It could be only that wire that's broken, or it could be all the switches on the steering wheel not to work, and as a result you're going to, guys, okay, have a bad horn and not to work. But I'll start by checking the fuse, wire, test the horn, and we'll have a video how to test a cork spring and what a cork spring is for as well. Hopefully this video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.